Hello everyone. What if you could build your own AI agents, one that understands natural language and pulls in real-time info in under 10 minutes? Let's do it with Google's new Agent Development Kit. Introducing the Agent Development Kit or simply ADK, this is a Google's flexible and modular framework for building powerful AI agents. With ADK, you can tap into popular large language models including Gemini and even integrate with the open source generative AI tools. In this video, we are going to see completely how to set up our environment and what are the tools are needed to install and run the simple AI agent under the ADK. For this demo, I am going to use VS Code as an IDE. First step, I am going to create a folder. It's named as Multitool Agent. Just create it and open it in the VS Code. So once it is created, then we need to create an init file. That is init.py file. So it tells the Python, hey, this folder can be imported like a model. Without it, you can't import other files from folder clearly. So it also runs automatically when package is imported. So here I am just importing dot from agent. It means its dot refers to the current package. So you are importing the agent.py file from within the same folder. So next we need to create another file, that is agent.py. So for implementing the logic, I'm just copy pasting from the official Google ADK document and just copy pasting the entire code and pasting it here. So this program consists of two tools. One is for weather tool, another is for timing tool. That is only for the New York City. So that means whenever we ask anything about weather for New York City as well as the timing for New York City, we are going to get the response. And then followed by we need to use create an agent. The agent should be created with the agent ID and which model we are going to use it here, and then description and instruction how the agent should behave, and finally tools, that is the two functions we have created, get weather and get current time, that agent can call. Next we need to create another file .env file. In this file we are going to place our API key. So the API key can be created from the Google AI Studio. So just create an API key. So here I'm going to use Gemini model. Click on API key and Gemini. Once the API key has been created, just copy it and paste it in the env file. Next we are going to run this program. Before that we need to create a virtual environment in the Python, and then we need to install the Google ADK. So first create an virtual environment using the command and activate that environment. Then install the Google ADK. So once the Google ADK has been installed, then we are going to run ADK web. Now the ADK is running in the port 8080. Just copy it and open it in a browser and select the agent, that is model tool agent. I'm just asking hello Google, I got a response. Then I start typing what time is it. So it's asking for which city. I'm typing New York. So it invoked our tool. So we can interpreting the response here, and also I'm asking for the timing. I got the response. So we can see the request and response using this UI, and we can also we can try one more thing. We can enable the audio and we can ask the same question. So the agent will reply in the audio mode. So I failed to record it here. Also you can give a try for video also. You just enable the video and ask what object you are seeing in front of you. It will replay whatever it's saying here there. So Google ADK makes it surprisingly easy to prototype AI agents that are both powerful and interactive. Whether you are building a personal assistant or a business logic bot, ADK gives you solid starting point. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.